This is the unboxing right here. This the real deal right here. This the best unboxing right here.
Faster. Oh no!
Oh no.
Faster.
He say faster, y'all.
He be thinking I ain't strong or something, like I can't help him. We go through this all the time, like let me help you. You can't do everything by your damn self. Hey, what good, what it do? Welcome back. That ain't how it go. Hey, what's good, what it do? Scott Squad coming through with another video.
Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla, and I'm back with another video. I'm tired of saying the same intro. Sorry, I don't know. My plan was to do a clean with me video today, but back to the light. Okay, I had to go get me a new vacuum cleaner, and while I was out getting a vacuum cleaner, I ran into a great deal on a washing machine. Costco just always got like the bomb deals, right? So this time I just happened to have the funds for it right away, so we bought you need help? Woo.
That was close.
So we bought it. Boom. Brand new Samsung washing machine, y'all. It's not one of those fancy smart machines, but it's fancy and it's cute. So yeah, we have to we're gonna get this set up and unboxed and all that stuff for y'all, and then I'm gonna get on with this cleaning video tomorrow, because guess who is not gonna be cleaning today? It's already like 5:30, so it's time for me to cook dinner and all that stuff. So yeah, but I did want to share with y'all our new washer. So this what it looked like on the sales floor. Of course, we got to see the display and play with all that and everything. Can't wait till you start taking it out so y'all can see it. Yes, I'm low-key dancing, y'all.
Huh?
I'm excited waiting for you to get my washers done. I told them, yeah, I'm dancing because the camera was shaking, but like, y'all know how it go when we get a new machine or new something like that. I'm excited, because the washing machine that I got was a used one, and that mug is not water. It don't save water, don't save energy, none of that. So yeah, y'all want to see it? Matter of fact, because he got to get that baby out of here. Oh, sorry. You gonna take the old one out?
Yeah, I gotta drain it.
Gotta drain it. This is the old one that we're getting rid of. You were so great to me, Hot Point, but there has come a time where we need to say our goodbyes. I really appreciate you and your services that you have provided for my family, but your services are no longer needed. So I wish you well.
Shut up.
Kaylin, please. Y'all, I hate to call my son a crybaby, but that's what he acts like. Why is he crying? I don't know. Okay, well, he's quiet now. All I wanted to say was, come here.
You're gonna get Randy over.
Okay, look, all I want to say is, I learned that from Marie Kondo. You have to wish your things farewell, and good things are going to come to you. It's called, KonMari, yeah. That's what it's called, y'all. Why you cry so much? Why you cry so much? They want to know. Tell them right now. Why do you cry like that? Look, tell them. Why do you cry like that? For nothing. See, look. Why are you doing that?
That is loud. Really loud.
I think this video might end up being long enough for a little mini vlog or unboxing, so I don't know, we'll see. But I hope you guys have noticed that I'm working on vlogging a lot more. I'm working on picking up my camera a lot more. Finally got my screen in order, my screen fixed, so I ain't got no excuse. And yeah, just want to say that because I know y'all be wanting to see more of me, cause you said so. And I be wanting to give y'all more, show y'all more, but working with that camera without no screen was not the be naive. But y'all drop down in the comments something what y'all want to see from your girl. I know this salad is everything.
Eventually.
We about to start this unboxing finally, right?
Can't lift that. Can't lift this up like that.
Well, come on to help you though. He be thinking I ain't strong or something, like I can't help him. We go through this all the time, like let me help you. You can't do everything by your damn self. Honey, y'all don't even know the half of my story. Lifting the washing machine ain't shit. I done had to do how much by myself? I done moved by myself. Furniture, you hear me? I have not always had a man. This was in the box. I don't know what that is. I guess we'll tell you later. With that in there. So that's all the pieces of the machine. Back up, children. Back up, Kenzie. Kenzie.
Back up.
Come here.
You better move, girl. Thing big.
Yeah, Tasia got something new too to try. We all got a new vacuum too. Yay! Rip it open like a gift. Look at that big old tub. That other one was so small. And it was just, I didn't like it. And I love the fact that I could look down in there as the clothes are washing and see my clothes.
I know, right? I love that.
So
That's the part I do like about these washers with the strings and with the glass. You can see them.
look, it's so beautiful.
Voila.
Now this ain't gonna be looking like this forever. I'm finna wash them clothes and move all this stuff that I have to throw right there to put this bad boy in here. So
Liquid detergent. Remove tray for powder.
oh, okay, so
Softener.
powder and liquid
Where the bleach go?
right here. And bleach goes right there.
Oh.
Oh, my favorite color. One of my favorite, close to my favorite color.
Yeah.
So that's how it look when it comes on. Normal. Quick. Self-clean.
What's up?
Unlocked.
Ouchie, Pepper. Hey.
Ooh. Smells so
Well, go
good.
ahead, babe. Put in a load of laundry. And I'll hold it. King, go upstairs. Go upstairs. Bye. Y'all tripping. Y'all doing the most. Y'all being disrespectful to the vlog.
Smells new.
You so burnt.
I
smell
love
it
the new
already.
smell. I love the new smell. Smell it. Yeah. Get a whiff.
It do. It smell like a new pair of shoes.
Alright. He said, go ahead and wash your load. Give me a little.
What you done did?
Turn this off. Let's see.
I think you gotta start a cycle maybe.
Oh,
And there you go.
pretty cool.
It looks like this how it fills up, I guess. But this is like if you want to hand wash, you know, hand wash a stain or something before you throw it in there. You can do it right here at the machine. Ain't got to do it at the sink. No more, none of that.
Where King's
So-
at?
Ooh, I know, right? And then to stop it, you just press it like that. And they say it's gonna go for 5 minutes and then stop, or it stop once the tub is filled. She don't see. That's the business.
For real, the business.
A little sink in the machine. I love it.
Hey.
Y'all, I love my little machine, y'all.
Doing the calibration just to see if the washer is leveled. There we go. You press and hold these, and then you press that. Start it. See?
I love it, I love it, I love it.
First load going in. First load. Let's see what this thing is about. You know what I'm saying? First load going in. Already got soap in there. So let's see. Uh-oh, here it goes. There it is. There it is.
Okay, boy. There you go. Our new washing machine. Now I'm about to go run. Gotta go get these kids something to eat. Get us something to eat because I'm not cooking tonight. So we're gonna have some Denny's and I'm gonna have the Chinese food, some falafel. Show Leah, that's what I'm about to have. So yeah, y'all, thank you so much for kicking it with us. I hope that my bad. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Rudeness. Come on, Candy. Let's end the video. So thank you for watching our channel. Say please subscribe to my channel. Tell them, say subscribe to our channel. Say hit the like button. And tell your friends and them to subscribe to our channel. And share our videos. Always be you, stay true, and do what you do, baby. We out. Bye.
This is the unboxing right here. This the real deal right here. This the best unboxing right here.
Faster, faster.
Oh no. He say faster, y'all.
Okay, that's it. Kayla, you want to go now? Okay.
You want to get on, Kaylin? Get on there, Kaylin. There you go. Hold on. You gotta hold on. There you go. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
He gonna sit down. And he gonna sit down.
Sit down.
Uh-oh, he got it.
Faster, faster.
He got it. He's laughing. You like that?
It's faster.
He crazy.
Oh, yay. Okay, all done.
King wanna go again.
All done.